Hello, welcome to this quick video on how to put the HAES Surveyor Excel into test mode. Again, you need the key to control it. If not, you need to open the panel and put a link between these two terminals where you can see this cable connecting. As we have the key, we put that key in. Two options, nice and easy one. Test mode, press test mode. The zone flashes, but you can only test one zone at once. And so you gotta, like here, if the shop divides in half, halfway down, you gotta figure out which one where it changes to zone 3. This is quite handy. You can just walk around, set them off, and it'll just automatically reset itself. Second option is to disable sounders, which is done by hitting disable 5 times. So you see alarm disable light up and hitting enter. It'll give you a common fault. Reset to exit, enter again to mute. And our panel goes into fire. Beep again because it's still telling you that it's in test mode, so that something's disabled. Hit enter to silence it. Hit disable 5 more times. And hit enter again, turns the fault off. Reset to leave the menu, and that is you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.